All right, guys, we got a 2019 Honda Ridgeline, 3.6 liter V6. Look at this sucker's clean. Let me show you guys what we done on it. He brought his own parts, so he's got a new cool setup. It's got converters, one up there on the manifold, secondary on the manifold, and then a third one right there, as you guys can see. And then what we did is we cut it right after the cat. I ran a 2.5-inch system into YOKAMA Motorsports. They're famous for Honda products. YOKAMA Motorsports. Here's the muffler. Here's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. Almost looks like a vibrant quiet flow, but it's made by YOKAMA. And then we added a custom Y pipe and dualed it out. 2.5-inch all the way back on each side there and over the rear axle in there out the side. And then he brought 2 Corsa tips. Here's the part number on them. There'll be a link in the description for them also, if we can get it for you guys right there to finish it off. Corsa tips, Corsa Performance. It came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. There it is. That's what it looks like. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. That's not too loud. Yeah, it sounds good. Here's sound decibels. 95. What do you think, boss? Do you approve?
Sounds good. Gonna take it for a run.
Yes, sir. He's gonna take it down the road and make sure it doesn't drone. So we'll tell you guys in a second if it drones or not.
I'm gonna open up the VTEC right here.
Yeah. Oh, taking off. Okay. He said he's gonna give us a badass drive off.
It's got about 1,200 pounds in the back, so
yeah, it should grip,
but it's still, well, it's all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But it'll still open up.
Yeah. It's clean and quiet on idle, which is good. You don't want it like blah, 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 you know. No rasp. It's just smooth. Yeah, it's weighted down. I can tell that. Got custom wheels on it. It looks good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Raw VTEC Sport Power. Sport. Power. There we go. Let's see what she sounds like going down the road. Oh, go. That sounds mean, man. Wow. Nice. Okay, another one.